Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use Windows Cleanup. It's a simple but powerful tool to help you free up space on your computer. And it helps you also to keep it running smoothly. To get started, click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. And then in the search bar, type this cleanup. So here, we will go directly to the search bar and search for this cleanup. So it is here already and click it. Now select the drive you want to clean up. In most cases, this will be your system drive, which is usually labeled C. Click on it and click OK. The tool now will analyze your disk and calculate how much space you can free up. This might take a moment, so please be patient. So once the analysis is complete, you'll see a list of different file categories that you can delete to free up space. This might include temporary files, recycle bin items, and more. Simply check the boxes next to the categories you want to clean up. So right now, please click on Clean Up System Files and click OK. So here, select the categories you want to remove or to delete and then click OK. So a window will pop up saying, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Please click Delete Files. And that's it. You now know how to use Windows Cleanup to clear out unnecessary files and free up valuable space on your computer. It's a quick and easy way to help keep your system running smooth. Before we wrap up, remember to run this cleanup regularly to keep your computer in tip-top shape. It's a simple maintenance task that can make a big difference in your computer's performance. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Windows Cleanup. See you on my next video.